All right, guys. So look, we had to talk about this one. I can't just let this one slide. I know I didn't cover it in the last video, but we're going to talk about this here right now because there's no way you guys aren't making money. I mean, it really isn't. And in fact, what I'm about to do right now, which is kind of go through probably the easiest process to be able to make money doing this. I mean, it's almost like a give me really. And you kind of follow this step or these steps, and it really is no reason why you would. So without further ado, let's kind of get into this because I did, like I said, I didn't cover it in the last video, but I should have, but I was too focused on showing you guys the ins and outs of the things. But we about to get into this right now because this is ridiculous. All right. Now, I know hindsight is 2020, right? When it comes to trading and stocks and all that good stuff, but you guys that are in the chat room and members and stuff like that, you're seeing this stuff consistently day after day that I'm telling you the nights before what to do. And it's just it doesn't get any easier than that. So we're going to talk about making this money because you guys need to be able to do so. All right. So let's get into it.